Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady lately. Why the sudden change?
Hey y'all, so this video is coming at y'all a little bit differently because I normally don't start get ready with me like this, but today I decided to try something new. I was watching some YouTubers and I got some inspiration. My face looks atrocious. I was like picking my pimples today and now they're like exploded all over my face. It's not even cute. I don't even want to film the video that I had planned to film, but I'm gonna film it anyway because I have to do a lot of videos actually today because I want to give you guys more like consistent content and whatnot. But I went to Walmart. This video is for our Walmart video. So I went to Walmart yesterday and y'all know me, I love Walmart, right? So I got clothes and essentially I'm going to do a Walmart transformation again with drugstore makeup and then Walmart outfits, and I even got stuff for my hair from Walmart. So yeah, I went to Walmart and I'm going to show y'all what I got, and then y'all are going to see at the end of the video how I make these like into cute fire ass pieces because too many people sleeping on Walmart. Walmart got some cheap shit. We in a pandemic right now, so ain't no point in spending boatloads of money when none of us can go out. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got and then we'll get ready. Okay, so the first thing is this dress. I got an extra large. This is 15-17 supposedly. I don't believe it. Walmart sizing is kind of funny, but it's just this dress. Cute, simple. I feel like it'll be cute the way I plan on putting it together. And then I got two graphic tees that I'm gonna pair with biker shorts. This one has SpongeBob on it, and I have yellow biker shorts that I'm gonna pair to match this yellow. I got these booty pants that everybody be talking about, and these I got in an extra large too. They were $7.88. They look this color. They had them in a bunch of colors, but I got this color. I'm gonna pair, I don't know what I'm gonna pair with it yet, but y'all are gonna see that later. And then I got this cami, which was a large 12-14. I look stretchy, so I don't know if I'm gonna wear this for sure yet, but I did get it. And then I got this genuine merchandise extra large 14-16. It's a Rays baseball jersey, but I'm gonna tie it and show off my titties and like dress it up, so I think that's gonna look really cute. So, hi my babes. Obviously you kept on watching because you wanted to see this Walmart transformation. I know we love that on this channel. So if you guys want to see more Walmart transformations, make sure you're getting these views up on this video, commenting on this video so that it can slide right into the YouTube algorithm so that we can afford to do more videos like this. Because I'm broke. But I do love filming videos like this for you guys, so I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna start my makeup, and we're gonna get right into this.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel saying little baby, going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she had it done, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the army, the navy, it ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreman is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes no starch, please. Soon as I do, you don't leave. Got M's in the back like yes, indeed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes no starch, please. Soon as I do, you don't leave. Got M's in the back like yes, indeed.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Texas. man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she had it done, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreman is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you gon' leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you gon' leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed. Cardiac glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got no waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna kill what I do, tryna steal my moves. 500 for a blue pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make the rest, I'ma finish you. Only being charged, he'll do it like it's voodoo. Real dope, boy, 100,000 in the Bizu. President's attention, I die, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. Getting money, I come from the H's. Men Dre about to drop me, they go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a sweep, and I'm far from the pavement. $1 million, $100, they make them go crazy. Wham. Baby, brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you gon' leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed. Man, my dog want off the way. When you living like that, they supposed to behave. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you gon' leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed. Man, my dog want off the way. When you living like that, they supposed to behave.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Texas. But for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she had it done, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreman is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they never betray me.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you gon' leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you gon' leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed. Cardiac glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got no waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna kill what I do, tryna steal my moves. 500 for a blue pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make the rest, I'ma finish you. Only being charged, he'll do it like it's voodoo. Real dope, boy, 100,000 in the Bizu. President's attention, I die, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. Getting money, I come from the H's. Men Dre about to drop me, they go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a sweep, and I'm far from the pavement. $1 million, $100, they make them go crazy. Wham. Baby, brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you gon' leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed. Man, my dog want off the way. When you living like that, they supposed to behave. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you gon' leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed.
I don't sleep with a thingy at night. Like, I don't tie it, I don't take care of it, but she's still looking cute. So I'm gonna try this Aussie Sleek and Warrior dry conditioner just to make sure that my hair is getting conditioned. See if this works with black. Smells good. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hair spray. I'm gonna use some spreads on my brush. I'm just going to push these apart. And I'm going to put a little bit of grippy gel. This isn't from Walmart, so don't kill me. But I need something strong.
finish you. The same price I can make the rest, I'ma finish you. When you been charged, he'll do it like it's voodoo. Real dope, boy, $100 in the Visa. President's attention, I lie, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. Getting money, I come from the ages. Men Dre about to drop on me, don't go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a street, but I'm far from the pavement. $1 million, $100, just make them go crazy. Wham. Baby, brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes no starch, please. Soon as I go, you can come leave. Got M's in the back like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to behave. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes no starch, please. Soon as I, you can go leave. Got M's in the back like yes, indeed.
The top is a Major League Baseball affiliated shirt from the Rays. I live in Tampa, so a Rays shirt obviously would be at Walmart. I just knotted it and then I tuck the ties in and then I bring my titties up and a little out. The skirt is the only thing that I'm showing you that isn't from Walmart, but the necklaces are all from Walmart. So this is what it looks like in the back. And then the side. This is really cute. You can dress this up or down. Right now I'm not wearing any shoes, but I could wear this with heels, or I could wear this with like my slip-on canvas bands and stuff like that. So this is really cute. These tops do run a little small, like the arms run small. This is an extra large, and I couldn't wear it like a regular shirt because it's kind of tight. So if you want to wear it like a regular baseball tee, I would definitely get it a size bigger. But this is cute.
Like it, they supposed to behave.
This is the next piece. It's this dress that I got in an extra large. The buttons are fake. It's stretchy and super skin tight. It does come with, you know, those things that help it stay on the hanger, but I don't plan on using them. So what it looks like. You could definitely dress this up. Not like up because of the fabric, but you can definitely make it more go outy, like maybe brunch, by pairing it with some plexiglass heels. I'm not gonna put them on because you won't be able to see them anyway, but that's what it's looking like.
The dash is busy, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like book.
Now this one's like super fun and super casual. I decided to pair, when I do wear it out, I'm gonna wear it with my SpongeBob socks that I got from Hot Topic, and then with my Nike Air Force Ones, the all white mids. But this is the top. I added this this Christmas gift I got with the necklaces just to make it look like I did it up a little bit more. And then I'm wearing these yellow biker shorts from Amazon, and then I just put my hair up in a half up, half down. And definitely giving you like I don't care vibes, like I'm just here so I don't get fined, but I'm still cute as fuck. I like this. The last outfit, this is mainly about the pants, but I wanted to show you guys the whole thing. Walmart does have cardigans kind of like this, but this specific one is from Boohoo. I just didn't see the point in getting one from Walmart if I already had one similar. So, and then this tube top is from Fashion Nova, but these pants are like those booty pants that everyone's wearing right now. They do go all the way down to the floor, but I am only 5'6", if that gives you height reference, but I am also wearing them pretty high. So there's that part. This is like really cute, really casual. Make the booty look good, I think. But yeah, I'd wear these just like on a cash day, wear my Birks probably, or some sandals. Keep it really casual. Or you can dress it up. I just didn't feel like dressing it up because I'm not really a dressy person too much. I really like to wear jeans and sneakers, stuff like that. So, but I'm not to the point where I completely trust Walmart jeans. We get in there though. We get in there. But this is this. And then I just took off all the chokers and I'm just wearing these two dangly chains. for some slight, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I love filming Walmart transformations for you guys because I'm a broke bitch, like I'm always saying in these videos. So I definitely want to show you guys that there are affordable options. You just need to kind of mix and match pieces. I'm not saying that Walmart doesn't have complete pieces, but when you are plus size, it is a little bit harder, especially, excuse me, they're not going to be made of like materials that are like curve hugging, like lycra that you'll get in most of your Fashion Nova pants or something like that. But I did really like these pants that I got. I'm gonna probably go back and get the other colors because I didn't think they would be this soft and this cute, but I like them a lot. So if you guys want to see more Walmart transformations, like this whole makeup look, this whole makeup look was done with Walmart products, okay? Like, come on. Come on, let me drink some water real quick though. I'm a little thirsty. So it is possible to look beat as fuck and cute as fuck on a budget. Be a baddie on a budget. That's summer baddie on a budget in house. Period. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Walmart transformation. Let me know if you guys want to see more transformations from other places. No one's really giving me like any suggestions on where I should do my next places. That's why I keep doing Walmart, because it's also like right here where I live. But if you guys want to see like Target, Ross, Five Below, like all those places, definitely let me know down in the comments and I will try to score out those places and see what I can find. You know, it's hard for us darker skinned girls to find stuff, but I'll do it for my babies if y'all let me know. So I hope this video was enough for you to subscribe to the family. If you aren't already subscribed, I'm on the road to 3K. We got quite a bit, but I think we can make it. So if you are down to support me and support what I'm trying to do on YouTube by creating a movement, creating a positive space for all people to look, who don't have the social media body or whatever, then definitely subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications, because YouTube be tripping and not letting people know I'm posting. And I'm definitely about to be posting a lot of videos, so get ready. Okay, get ready. And once we hit 3K, there will be a giveaway. So if you want to be a part of that giveaway, you definitely want to help me get to 3K. Don't forget to comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on my channel, what your favorite outfit was. I'd love to know. And anything you do, and if you shop at Walmart or Target and find the deals that people would be missing out on, because put me on, sis. I'm here. Put me on. Put me on, okay? But that's all I have for you guys today. My name is Brittany, aka Britt Smiley, and stay beautiful, my loves.